Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SS2 in charcoal. Alright, let's grab our scissors. Let's open it on up. Okay, inside each box you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box. And you'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second. But first, let's just take a look at the product here. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. Okay, and then we'll remove the plate for installation. Nice and simple, grab at the edges with your fingers and just push forward with your palm. Comes off nice and easy just like that. Okay, at the side here, or where your screw holes are, that's where you're going to put your provided screws through to fasten to your pattress box. Flipping it on over, you'll notice at the top that it's BS and CE certified. You'll also notice that it has 3 hole terminal screws here. So you know that this is a 2-way light switch. So you can control your light switch from 2 separate locations with this guy. If you need to control it from 3 separate locations, you'll need to purchase one of the intermediates, which if you already have one of the 2 ways in your wall, these can just pop out nice and easy, and you can put the new intermediate one in there, wire it up, and you're good to go. The other good thing about these guys is, let's say you had a painter come in, and now your walls don't match anymore. No problem, these plates are all interchangeable, so you can just get one of the spare plates online, pop it on, and you're good to go. All right, take that off, put the original back on. Okay, and then let's take a look at that instructional leaflet I mentioned earlier. Okay, on the one side you have a whole bunch of different social media platforms, which if you head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow, we would greatly appreciate it. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. And finally, in the bottom right-hand corner here, you'll notice a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, which will give you tips and tricks on how to install the light switches and sockets. And finally, let's take a look at the bag that it comes in. Okay, flipping it on over. On the center here is our SKU code, the ART-SS2 for the 2-way, and CH for charcoal. You have our barcode in the center here, and in the top left-hand corner, you have another Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website, where you can see our full range of products there. And then finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice the recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here. So you know this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day, so please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below as what you'd like us to do next. All right, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.